Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. I am going to say good morning, happy Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning, guys, and welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube. And if you're new on this video, please don't forget like this video with the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Welcome, happy Wednesday, guys. This is what I would call a retake. So apparently I just did a video, try to do a vlog. I was about to edit and put, because it was two videos, my phone storage had went out. So I tried to edit the video to get ready to edit it and put it together. But in me trying to delete stuff, I deleted the other video that I did to do my, to make one whole video. So I ended up making two videos before. Now I gotta retake the first video again. So this will be a retake video. And basically what this video is, it's welcoming my family and those who are new subscribers on this channel, because we do have a lot of new subscribers and we're thankful and appreciative of that. Welcome. Welcome to my crazy big black family, guys. And if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe if you're just now seeing us on this channel. What I was saying in the other videos and what you guys didn't see, what you won't see, because I guess I erased that video. And that's the honest to God truth. I don't make up things. I don't make up vlogs. I don't make up content. That really did happen. And it kind of pisses me off because I was in a whole vibe. I had a whole vibe going on here. Like, I was like, I was like in my little zone, and now I gotta retake this again. So basically, what it was is I'll have to rewind. So we'll rewind. What I did was I'll take my scarf down. I had my hair was dry. I am 51 years old. I have gray hair, so when my hair gets dry, I have a little a little routine that I do. And so what I usually do is I get my Blue Magic grease. As you see, it's almost empty because I live by it. And what I did was I just like part my scalp with the grease and grease my scalp, then massage the grease through my hair, moisturize my hair. And I was telling my subscribers and my people watching the video that when you have gray hair, and even for younger people, because one day you will get gray hair, just know that like you're gonna have to maintain it, because the gray kind of always comes in a little bit more coarse than your regular hair. So I have to moisturize that hair a lot. And I was saying how my hair, just my hair alone, my grade of hair, the way my hair is, my hair, it gravitates to moisturizer. So when I moisturize my hair, you'll notice, you see it starts to like, it likes the moisture. It starts to curl up. My hair gets wavy and curly when it gets wet or moisturized. As you see, I put a little bit of grease in it, and that's what happened. So that's what the recap on that was. That's basically what it was. I was giving a little demonstration of me parting my hair and greasing it, and letting the viewers know that that's what I have to do to maintain moisture in my hair, so that it doesn't look, dry, and it doesn't look, and that's even if you don't have gray hair. Any kind of hair that you got, you want to make it look shiny instead of dull. You want to keep it looking a little bit moisturized, or if looking so that when the sun or whatever hits it, it's just like boom. Even if it don't hit it, you can tell that it has moisture in it. And what I did after that was I tied my scarf back up and I put on, so let the people know and explain that I wear silk scarves so that that moisture that I do put in my hair stays in. When you wear silk and satin scarves, it keeps the moisture in. Now, it may make you sweat a little bit, but it does keep the moisture in your hair, which if you're trying to grow your hair and you want moisturizer in it, you have to put yourself a nice silk or satin scarf on. That's why I do it. And that's why you'll always see me. And I was saying as well that this is such a drag to have to recap all this. I was also saying that, you know, you want to keep it moisturized, because if you do all that moisturizing and then you put a cloth or a cotton scarf on, it's going to suck all that moisture out. So that's why you'll see me most times wearing scarves. And I also said that I use these for days, like when I don't feel like combing my hair back. Because my normal routine right now for wearing my hair is just like putting some gel in it and then combing it all the way back and putting a scrunchie on the back and making, a little pull back ponytail. That's all I'm doing right now because I work most times. So that's my work vibe. That's how I go to work. And when I'm home, my vibe is either moisturize my hair with a scarf on it, or you may see me just like what I just had, my natural hair out. But most times I like to kind of not have my hair all over my head. If it's not done back in a ponytail, whatever braids, whatever I got going on for that given time, I will put on a nice scarf. We have a lot of different kind of scarves, all different kind of materials, silk, satin. We have all different scarves. So I kind of like to put on a scarf that matches what I'm going on, what I got going on, my outfit, my robe. As weird as it may sound, but I kind of like it's for me. That's a thing. My appearance and how I look, which is bringing me back to the second video because I had to do two because of my storage. And this would be about what that second video consisted of, is what you put out into the world and what you exuberate is what people perceive of you. If you're having a bad day, you don't have to put out, oh, let me walk out the house with my hair on my head, or I'm having a bad day. You can put a scarf on, a nice scarf. And some people look at scarves as a form of maybe they look at it as a form of ghetto. Maybe they look at it as a form of being lazy. I don't. I look at it as a form of expression. I look at it as a form of, you know what? I didn't feel like getting all flashy today, but I about put this nice, beautiful scarf on that matches and enhances my outfit. So, and my glasses and all that. You can put a scarf on and dress it up and wear it to someplace flashy as long as it's a beautiful scarf that matches your outfit. It doesn't matter. It's how you wear it, not what you wear. You can make a $2 hat look like $1,000 hat if you wear it well. That's what it all boils down to. How you present yourself, how we present ourselves, what we put out, what we give. Because needless to say, that's what people go by anyway, isn't it? So, our appearance and what we give and what we, how we present ourselves, even if we're having a bad day, even if it's just like, oh, I don't feel like being bothered today. Today's not a good day for me. You don't have to show it by what you wear, by looking. You know what? I'm just gonna go out this house looking any old kind of way, guys. No, you can look good because this is important, and this is what people see first. They see this before they hear this. So they looking before they even hear you start talking. When they see this, they already kind of building a little picture about you. And like I said, you can go out the house with a nice scarf on and some beautiful glasses and still look good. Or you can go out the house with no scarf on, no glasses, no earrings or nothing. I tell my girls all the time, don't want a pair of earrings. It matters. It really matters if you put on a pair of earrings. I just feel that way. That's my personal opinion. Nobody's right or wrong in an opinion. I can say what I want if I feel that way. And I feel that we look better when we wear our earrings. Again, you could be feeling terrible, but don't want a pair of earrings, nice scarf or a ponytail, earrings. Watch how it changes the trajectory of everything. How you feel, how the day might be going, how those people looking at you perceive you. So guys, and I was also saying that I have my cup of coffee at nighttime when I'm an insomniac and can't sleep. And when I'm up, I usually find something to do. So what I did was I did my hair. Usually sometimes I'll clean. I didn't have anything to clean because it was already done. The kids did that. So I usually have my cup of coffee. A lot of people say, well, if you're an insomniac, I was letting my viewers know. Again, I have to recap all this because I erased my video. So I'm going to let you guys know. I was saying that coffee does the opposite for me. When I drink coffee, it's a soothing, relaxing thing for me. It's a calming thing for me. It's a go-to when I have things on my mind. So that's why I do it. It doesn't make me not go to sleep. Sometimes I'll drink coffee and I'll go right to sleep, believe it or not. That's a fact. That actually does happen. So, cheers to the weekend. Cheers to midweek. Cheers to days that are just like, but you still got to push through. Cheers to days when you don't feel like cooking, but you still got to push through because you know what? You're a mom or you're a dad or you're a caretaker or you're a person that your family depends on. So you still got to push through. That being said, welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. where you got to push through and take care of this, because it's important, guys. Because taking care of ourselves is, the first and foremost thing. We must make sure our appearance and what we bring out into, you know, the public or whatever. At least, even I don't care if I'm going to the store with a robe on. That robe gonna match the glasses. They're gonna match my shoes. It's gonna match my scarf. That might sound weird as hell, but believe it or not, that's how I roll. And it's gonna be something where it's gonna be like, oh well, but she still looks pajamas on, everything to match, looking cute, guys. I try. Sometimes, you have your bad days, or sometimes you just you might be feeling some type of way, and then it reflects by you like, you know what, I don't feel like doing. That's why I buy all kind of different scarves. I've said this before, because people be like, oh well, that's being lazy. No, that's being me, still keeping my appearance appropriate, nice scarf to match what I got on, and me still looking appropriate and decent. So if me having a scarf on is being lazy, even though the scarf matches what I have on, I look nice, I look appropriate, it's a beautiful scarf, it's keeping my hair moisturized. Underneath, you guys just seen my hair. Most times, if you see me with a scarf on, that's what you're getting. You're getting my hair moisturized underneath with my natural hair out like it is. I'm trying to grow it back. You know what I mean? So that's what you get. You're not gonna get, um, it all over the place. You'll get it most times like that. Or me combed it back. I just got off work, so I put my scarf on. You guys see my hair most times. My vibe is my hair going all the way back in a ponytail with the scrunchie on the back, gelled it back. Easy, easy peasy, easy, and then go work, no problem. But yeah, guys, I want to thank everybody, absolutely every single body who has tuned into this channel and who appreciates a good word when you hear it, or appreciates a good vlog or video when you see it. We thank you, because this channel right here is the channel that we try to support and be there for our viewers. We try to, you know, every day show some kind of educational thing, or not even educational thing, but give you guys some kind of vlog that makes you think, give you guys some kind of video short or whatever to have you think about stuff, or maybe even just make you feel good or laugh, the music, whatever. Again, go check out our videos if you're new on this channel. I noticed there's a lot of new subscribers, so I want to welcome you and encourage you to please go watch our many videos. We have a lot of videos, and all of them have a different, their own little flavor, their own little, different little nit that goes with it. So we encourage you, if you're looking for new entertainment, you're looking for new videos, new vlogs, new shorts, outing videos, all that, go check out My Crazy Big Black Family. Like, actually really check it out and see what we got going on, guys, because it is an interesting channel. We do interesting things, and we do have interesting videos, vlogs, upload shorts, and also on our community post. Feel free to read our community post, because I'm often on that community post, just expressing to my subscribers and people that watch our channel, what I have on my mind, or what I'm thinking about at that given time, or what I might be, you know, what I might be thinking about during that week, and I'll put it down on my community post. It's kind of like an open diary for everybody to read, but it's my way of expressing myself, but through my community post. So I'm so thankful for the community post and my access to that, because it's my way of reaching out to my audience and letting them know what I feel on this side over here, or what I got on my mind, what's popping off, in the air for me, or whatever, or for us over here, or if I need prayers for a family member, if we're going through things, all that you'll find on our community post. So please go check that out. Happy Wednesday, guys. And tonight I'm working overnight, 11 to 7. I'm doing a graveyard shift. So um, I will be doing a video, guys. Stay tuned for that video at my job. For those who haven't watched any of my crazy job videos, go check out my videos from work, my lives, whatever. Craziness. The last time I was there, which was on Monday, literally didn't even really want to go to work, because I've had the worst last couple of days. And you ever have one of those days where you be like, you know what, I really don't want to go to work, but then you push yourself. You be like, okay, I'm going to go to work. And then you go. And you'd be like, what in the hell? I work at a shelter, formerly a hotel, but what is now being used as a shelter. And one of the residents didn't follow the rules. I did a short. There's not supposed to be any cooking in the rules because our hotel, well, our shelter, formerly hotel, um, provides meals 3 times a day for them, and I'm talking about meals. Again, go watch my videos. You guys have seen the meals. I've showed you what these people eat. They take care of them at my job. I don't know about everywhere else, but they take care of these folk. That being said, they at one point were able to have like air fryers, microwaves, and all that stuff in their room. But there kept being situations where, the alarms were going off, smoke. People not supposed to be having these devices in their room because they're blowing the circuit breaker every day. They're coming down complaining about they have no lights, this and that, because you got several big items plugged up to a small room on one circuit. It's bound to happen. If I do that in here, I plug up like 4 big major appliances, that probably would happen. That's just how electricity works. I'm pretty sure electricians out there can confirm that. So that being said, I didn't really want to go to work today, that day, but I was like, you know what? Let me just get this over because I had Tuesday off. So I knew I was going to have Tuesday off. And then today being me working at 11 is literally the equivalent of having today off because I don't have to be at work until damn near a whole nother day, which would be Thursday. But it's 11 o'clock on Wednesday tonight. So like, I don't mind. And some people like, oh, you want to do, I love the overnight shift. I love it. To know that I can literally, if I wanted to just chill all day today or take like 2 or 3 naps and then be up all night and get paid to do that, like I'm doing right now. And in quote, and in essence, I am getting paid to do this too. But that's a whole nother story. Neither here nor there. But because I don't want to be gloating like some folk do, but I am monetized now. So this video I will be being paid for this, but I will do that all day if I have to work overnight and get paid for it. So welcome to this channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Happy Wednesday. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget, if you're new and you didn't subscribe and you just watching this video, what you waiting for? Thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe.